Unit 2, Lesson 19. A Skit. Hello, who are you? I'm a deer and I leap, jump and run. See. And who are you? Ha ha ha. I'm a hunter and I hunt deer. Ah! Hello, who are you? I'm a lion and I roar to make your heart tremble. Who are you? I'm a hunter and I hunt lions. Ah! Hello, who are you? I'm a tiger and I prowl about in this jungle. Who are you? I'm a hunter and I hunt tigers. Ah! Hello, who are you? Hello, I'm hunter and I hunt animals. Who are you? I am a forest guard and I catch hunters and put them in jail. Ah, ah, ah. Caught you.